Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Subhub Sports Cards. Today we're going to be going through our PSA order. It's a 45-day order from PSA. This was a crazy order because it was sent in January 31st, processed early February, and it's already back in my hands before the end of February. This is PSA 45-day, and we'll go ahead and get it open and get started. All right, so here we go. This is not normal to get PSA back this fast. In fact, unfortunately, I do have some other orders that are further back that still have not been processed. So this is kind of like a extra special thing, I guess. Starting off, Kobe White. Kobe White Silver Prism, PSA 10. Then we've got a Cam Reddish Green, PSA 10. A Trey Turner, Mint 9. It's a Donruss rookie. There were a few upcharges in this. I will get those out with the shipping. This is a Trey Turner 9. Got a Doncic Chronicles PSA 10. A Ryan Ridley. I'm sorry, Ryan Finley on PSA 10. We got a vintage card. Nice card here. Jackie Robinson. It's an EX5 MK. And then we have Vladimir Guerrero Sepia. This one is a PSA 10. Very nice. Another one right behind it, Sepia PSA 10. And behind that one, Sepia PSA 10. After that, we're going Mike Trout Pink Velocity. Sweet card, PSA 10. And we have Julio Rodriguez. It's a Mega Box, PSA 10. Novelli Marte, Bowman Chrome, PSA 10. A Luciano, PSA 10. John Morant Prism. This one got a 9. Then we've got Tyler Hero, PSA 10. Willie Mays, Excellent 5, EX5. Turn this on silent here. Sorry about that. After that, we've got a nice old Rod Carew and Hank Allen, EX5. Very nice older looking cards. This one, luckily didn't get an OC grade. It's a VG EX4, Reggie Jackson rookie. And Vladimir Guerrero Refractor PSA 10. That's box 1. Box 2. Box 2, we got Vladimir Guerrero Update Pink PSA 10. We got a Eloy Jimenez PSA 10 refractor. A Eloy Jimenez pink PSA 10 refractor. A Eloy Jimenez blue refractor PSA 10. PSA 10 refractor Pete Alonso 2019 Topps Chrome. There's another one. Refractor PSA 10 Topps Chrome. PSA 10 Topps Chrome refractor. And we got a nice pink refractor Topps Chrome PSA 10. Very nice. Followed by a purple PSA 10 and a blue PSA 10. So crushing it on the Alonsos and Eloys and Vlads. There's another Eloy. This one's an auto refractor, Gem Mint 10. And how about a Tatis Jr. refractor, PSA 10. Tatis Pink, PSA 10. And a Tatis Sepia, PSA 9. And we go back to Pete Alonso. This one's a 9 refractor. And we got this one back to a 10. Pete Alonso refractor. Back to Pete Alonso, staying with him here. This one's a green PSA 10. And then we have an autograph PSA 10 as well. Very nice. Switching it up. The Laureano PSA 10. The Blue Wave. And McNeil PSA 10. Very nice. And so far, really, really good results. Now we're on to box number 3. Oops. I didn't need that. Alright, next we got Acuna, Topps Chrome, PSA 10. Soto, PSA 10, Topps Chrome. A Pete Alonso 1984 Chrome Promo, PSA 10. A Holiday Pack, Mint 9, Christmas Lights Necklace. It's a variation. Very cool. And we have a green Bowman Chrome out of 99, PSA 10. Pete Alonso Bowman Chrome refractor, PSA 10. And we got a John Morant Panini Certified, PSA 10. And another one, came back a 9. And one more with a 10. Not bad there at all. We got a Mahomes, Rookies and Stars, PSA 9. Mahomes, Red and Yellow, PSA 9. Luis Arias, Gem Mint 10 update. Luis Arias, Gold refractor, PSA 10. Very nice. Then we've got Acuna Bowman Chrome 2018. Got a Mint 9. And this is a really cool card. Happy birthday, Donkey Kong. 1982 stickers. Got a mint 9. That's a nice grade on a 1982 sticker card. Awesome. Next up, we have Andrew Benintendi, Blue Chips Gold out of 50, PSA 10. Got a hyped LeBron James, Gem Mint 10. After that, followed by a Matisse Thybulle, PSA 10. And Ryu, PSA 10, Prism Rookie. One last card for box number 3, and it's a PSA 10, Ja Morant Green, Impact. Very nice. Keep it rolling. All right. Box number 4, we got a nice Stellar Rookies Deshaun Watson, PSA 10. A Christian McCaffrey, Pink, PSA 9. Christian McCaffrey, Blue, Aqua, PSA 9. Christian McCaffrey, rated rookie, Donruss, PSA 10. We've got Leonard Fournette, Orange, PSA 10. Dalvin Cook, PSA 10, Orange. Luka Doncic, Donruss, PSA 10. Patrick Mahomes, Red and Yellow, PSA 10. Patrick Mahomes, the Rookies, Donruss Optic, PSA 10. Great Mahomes cards. The Elite Series, Patrick Mahomes, PSA 10. Patrick Mahomes, Mint 9. Deshaun Watson, Mint 9. It's a red and yellow. Got a blue and green. Press proof. PSA 9. Another Watson. This one's a gem mint from the Rookies. Optic. Juan Soto update. PSA 10. Ronald Acuna Jr. Artist proof. PSA 10. Very nice. 1989 Griffey traded. PSA 9. 1986 Bo Jackson, the Rookies, PSA 9. It's a nice grade on that. Those are really tough. The iconic Bo Jackson stance, the Nike. This one is a mint 9. And then we got a Luka Doncic Panini Threads Gem Mint 10. Very nice there, very nice. All right, box number 5. Ja Morant, PSA 10. And if you're in these orders, your cards should be grouped together for the most part. It's definitely by the serial numbers. Zion Williamson, that's a college, got a mint 9. Kobe White, got an 8.5 silver prism, college. Here's a Kobe White 8.5 silver prism. Ryu, mint 9 silver. A Ryu gem mint 10 blue prism. Nice Zion prism, gem mint 10. Got a nice Zion silver college, gem mint 10. The other card from that set, Zion PSA 10 as well, silver. John Morant PSA 10. Luka Doncic PSA 9. Michael Porter Jr. near mint 8. I think that's our first 8. We got Luka Rookie Kings PSA 9. A Donruss Luka PSA 10. Another Donruss Luka PSA 9. Followed by a PSA 10. Another PSA 10. And one more PSA 10. Then we have Lamar Jackson, mint 9. Very nice card. Rookie Prism. And we got another one that's also a PSA 9. Very nice there. All right. Box number 6. Looks like we're continuing on with Lamar. Lamar, another 9. These are notorious for a surface issue that runs right up here. In fact, you can see it on this card in the right light. Let me see if I can get it. Right there. You see that? It's like a thick line. It runs all the way across the card. I don't know what it is. It's definitely from the factory. It's on 95% of the cards I've seen of him, at least on just the base prism like this. Here's another one. Let's see if it's still there. Some are more prominent than others. But yeah, that's unfortunate for such a great card like that. Then we got a Jordan Alvarez Aqua Shimmer PSA 10. We got, and this is another one, notorious for having this little bubble right by his shoulder. And be careful when you're buying these, because sometimes you can't see them in the right light like that. You can't see it like that. You can't really see it. But it's definitely there, and it's definitely prominent. So be careful when you're buying Mahomes silvers like that, because they're all pretty much like that. See, there's another one right there. Some are worse than others. There's very few that don't have it. Another one. And we got Jerry the Man Rice PSA 7. That's a great grade on that card. Very tough card to grade. Derek Jeter, rookie Pinnacle, PSA 9, mint. And another one, PSA 9 mint. And then we've got a Mike Trout update. Don't know what this was doing in a 45-day. Obviously an upcharge on this one. PSA 9 mint. And we have Alex Bregman. Looks like just a Chrome prospect. Got an 8. Another one got a 9. We got Tatis Jr. got a 9. Tatis Jr. got a 9. Acuna, Gem Mint 10. Sweet card here. Ozzie Smith, rookie, PSA 8. Very, very cool. Very nice card. Congratulations on that one. Zion Williamson got a 10. Prism. And we got a silver Alexander, mint 9. A Steph Curry, rookie, mint 9. Tops. And this card got an upcharge, I know that. James Harden, Tops Chrome, rookie, mint 10. That is sweet. Tops Chrome. Very nice. A couple more boxes. And looks like I forgot to cut these ones. Box number 7. Gem Mint 10. Dante Graham. Andrew Shemet. PS. What? But you can see on the surface. Maybe you can't see. There's definitely something on the surface of this card, and it was definitely not there when I looked at it. So I will get with the owner of this card, and I'll work something out for you. But yeah, that's a horrible grade on that. All right, moving on. Luka Doncic, Gem Mint 10. Luka Doncic, Gem Mint 10. That's a dazzle. Very nice. It's an iconic card. Frank Thomas, name on the front. Near Mint 8. Tough grade on that. You can tell centering's off top to bottom a little bit. And usually corners and surface on that card. Vladimir Guerrero, negative refractor. Got a PSA 9. Vladimir Guerrero refractor, rainbow foil, I should say. PSA 10, Gem Mint. And we got a Blake Walton, blue refractor, Gem Mint 10. Ronald Acuna, 2018 Dynasty. Got a near mint, mint 8. Randy Johnson, mint 9. King Griffey Jr., near mint 8. Classics. Ken Griffey Jr. Near mint 9. Classics. Another Griffey traded. This one got a 9 as well. These older cards, they grade extremely, extremely hard. 9s are great on these. Whiteback, prospect number 1, 1989, Ken Griffey Jr., mint 9. Ken Griffey Jr., baseball's best, near mint 8. Ken Griffey Jr., Series 2, mint 9. And Nolan Ryan, gem mint 10, 1990 Leaf. Very nice pull there on the Nolan Ryan. Nolan Ryan traded, got a mint 9. And Vladimir Guerrero, Topps Chrome update, got a 9 as well. Alright, next up, Vladimir Guerrero, Atomic Refractor, got a mint 9. Nice Zion Red, Ice, mint 9. Wish that could have got a 10. Zion Prism Base got a 10. Zion Prism Base got a 10. Tyler Hero, Green got a 9. DeAndre Ayton, 9. John Morant, Prism, rookie 9. A silver, Duambo, not sure how you say that. Dambuye, got a 10. It's a nice card. And then we got a Graham, got a 9. That's a green Prism. There's another Graham, green, got a 10 on that one. Very nice. Kyler Murray, this one got a 9 OC. That's crazy they gave this an OC. I mean, yes, there is definitely bottom to top. But that to get the OC mark, that's kind of crazy. After that, we got a Aqua, Kyler Murray. This one got a gem mint 10. That's sweet. And then a sweet card here, Drew Lock, Prism Autograph, gem mint 10. Then we got Vladimir Guerrero Jr., number to 125. This one got a mint 9. John Morant Prism. There's a 10. Followed by Eric Paschal, PSA 10. That's a silver. And then we got another PSA 10 of Paschal, silver. Followed by Darius Garland, Cleveland Cavaliers. That one got a 9. Nwamboe, red, white, and blue, got a 10. And last card in box 8 is a Graham mint 9 Hyper Prism. Alright, we got one more, just little box here, it seems like. Doesn't feel very heavy. is what we got here. And we got another Lamar Jackson, mint 9. We've got something that did not get graded. What is this? Looks like we got a Mickey Mantle, questionable authenticity. We got a Mickey Mantle, minimum size requirement. And we got a Michael Jordan, minimum size requirement. Pretty common on those older cards to sometimes get those. Doesn't hurt to retry it again, especially if you're sure that you got the card. Look at this one. Wow. Panini Phoenix. Piece of the ball and auto. Drew Lock. Wow. Love that card. And last but not least, Dwayne Haskins, red optic. This one got a near mint out of 99. So that's going to do it for our reveal. PSA 45 day. It really only took like 16 days. But that won't happen all the time, guys, just so you know. That was a rare thing. We just got lucky, I think, somehow. And well, stay tuned. We'll have more reveals coming up soon. And make sure you like, subscribe this video to see our upcoming videos in the future. Thank you for watching. Have a great night. I'll talk to you soon.